Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton. And our guy here is struggling getting this trailer back down. Got a pretty poor angle there, was heading into the trees, catches it, gonna try lining it up one more time. Definitely going for distance. Every time he's reset up, he's pulling so far forward that he's got to back up a little bit of distance to even get it there. The angle doesn't look terrible right now. Goes to make that turn. Gotta watch out. You're going to hit the dock, bro. And he's so close. Is he hitting it? I think he hit it. It's tough to tell from this angle, but everything kind of came to a stop. And you didn't give yourself a lot of room to work with there. He's still going to have a tough time. He has the hard turn down. There we go. Straighten it back out a little bit, bro. And the lady pointing to the truck like, hey, film this. We already are, bro. And he looks pretty good this time. And I think he's got it. And he should get this one home. And we've got another person struggling to get back down this ramp. This ramp is one of the tougher ones here because it's the only single lane ramp. It's got kind of a funky approach angle. We watch people struggle with it all the time, and especially if it's somebody who's not very good with the trailer, it can get ugly fast. We've seen them in the trees, we've seen them on the dock. It's a little bit of everything over here. So his buddy's on the dock trying to coach him through, and he's getting out of the truck now. Probably saying, hey man, you want to do it? And he's like, nah bro, I'm just going to stand over here, armchair quarterback this one, and let you mess this up. So here we go again, on approach. Looks good right now. Turn it back quick, the other way, all the way, full bore. Probably a little late on the comeback, but let's see, he might be able to get it around. And there we go. He's going to have to do the old Boynton wobble to get it. A little late on the comeback again. But it's going to work so far. But he's going to run out of room as the truck's going to hit the ramp now. Excuse me, hit the dock. And he's going to have to pull that forward. Now he's got it lined up. This one should be good. No, you turned so hard. You had it lined up right. We're going to continue the Boynton wobble trying to get it down. Now he's got it straightened out. And he might be good. Just slight adjustments from here, bro. You actually have a fairly decent line. Oh, no. He went the wrong way. Oh, went the wrong way. Gonna have to straighten it out again. Rough start for my man. Not as rough as the other crew. If you look up here, you're going to see the white truck to the top of the screen. There's a boat up there that there's some people up there working on. They launched this boat without the drain plug. So we'll zoom in here in a moment up to that, as our guy looks like he's about to get in the water down here. But you'll see water just pouring out of the drain plug hole because they launched the boat, forgot the drain plug, and now they are trying to get this boat drained out. So our guy goes for the towel toss, lands it on the first try. Oh, denied on the bottle toss, though. And the bottle's in the water. And hey, our guy's at least going to walk down there and grab it. There we go. Nails it on the second toss. Here comes one of our crews in on approach. Decent angle, nice line. Little brake check. Wifey gonna go for the toss. She's able to jump off and get on the dock. And we've got this white boat launching here. Wifey's got the line, and she's gonna go for the walk down with it. The boat's starting to float, sliding off the trailer. And he's pulling. She's trying to hold on. The boat's pulling her. Oh, watch out! She has to go over the guy pull. The boat's still dragging her down the dock. Yeah, Guy, what are you doing? The dock struggles are real here at Boynton today, as these guys are having all kinds of fits trying to back up trailers. Now, many people will say that the single jet ski trailer is one of the hardest. You can't see the trailer, so I kind of understand. He's got his buddy back here trying to give him a hand with it. There we go. Little wobble action, looking good on the line. And his buddy's gonna go in for the assist. I mean, I don't know why people say single jet ski trailers are so hard. This guy's making it look pretty darn easy to get done, especially if you've got somebody with you. And they're gonna get it in the water. And I'm trying to tell now, I think our other boat up to the right, this was the boat that was launched without the drain plug earlier. Obviously, it's sitting a little wonky on the trailer because they got it out in a rush. Once they realized that was the issue, they pulled this thing out with the quickness to try and get the water out of it. I'm curious if they're gonna relaunch this, is what it looks like possibly. I guess, and try and get it back on the trailer, right? But our guy just standing there blocking the lane needs to go ahead and move. There we go. He's gonna get out of the way. And it looks like we're gonna get a little rain here. So this is the relaunch of the boat they tried to sink earlier. Looks like they've got all the water out of it now. Like I said, it's just sitting wonky on the trailer, so I'm just guessing they're gonna just try and fix that. But oh no, here it comes the rain. And the rain's gonna get us out of here, just like everybody else is gonna run trying to get out of here now as well. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.